This land holds great beauty.
Ready? I've got a camera in the back.
The best.
It's gonna hit me. Do you want me to go first or you? I don't mind.
You might want to think about getting this baby detailed.
My GoPro was flying the way.
Did it?
Oh, it's here. Fucking hell. Aye, oh man. I fucking got a headache like. Eh? Oh, his guard's bad like.
All three of them. That one, and that one.
Bastard. Fuck's sake. Oh man, Arthur. Oh god. Oh shit, boy. Aye. Oh man. She's definitely a missile car now, like.
Nah, it's a V-show. It's a V-show.
Oh, I spotted it as well.
Aye, spotted. Well, you did a good job there, Arthur. Okay, so we've got Arthur in the car. The man that car came out worse than mine, so I'm gonna give him a shot of mine because I feel a bit bad. So see how we can do. Fire's done.
I think what you're...
Okay, good to go. Did he?
Look at her face again, watch.
Can I go?
Yeah, if you come off.
He'll signal to you if you're going out as a single or if you're going out as in twos, and then when he says go, go, lead car, course, chase car on the inside. Everyone's coming.
Who are you, mate?
Yeah.
He loves you.
Yeah. We'll go this time.
Dust!
Good.
That was better!
Shut up.
Fucking cancer!
The shirt was right behind you as well.
He was on my tail there, that was good! Oh yeah. That was good fun!
That was good, that was really good.
That was good! You were fucking there, boy!
The tires in my eyes.
Fucking hell, man!
Oh,
I fucked up there. Fucking off the fucking power.
Maybe try to get in third.
I think third. I think you need to get out of the power.
Yeah, you try to get in third.
You need to get up third. The second gear's no getting it in enough power or speed.
Kenny!
Fucking too hard.
Go blow him out a little bit.
Right, suck out, mate.
Suck like your life depended on it.
There's only 10 minutes to go anyway, so
We'll just keep going.
keep going.
It's the pressure.
Okay, so that was today. A lot happened. Like I learned a lot. I'd like to thank his APD Drifting, Arthur. He was really good. He was telling me a lot of stuff that I haven't really tried before. I've tried it, but it's not really worked. So he told me quite a lot. So listened to him, and it actually really helped. Stuart from Driftland Garage, he told me a lot as well. Afterwards, once we finished, just a recap and stuff. So that was really good. So I need to try that. It's mostly getting deeper where I go along the wall. I need to not enter so early and leave it late. So I need to do that. Fucking power windows. But yeah, it was just a really good day. It was a bit unfortunate with Arthur. I was a bit of meat in the sandwich, and then they were the bits of bread, so there's not much I could do. I just waiting for a crash. No, Ryan, answer it. Learned a lot with like twinning and stuff, just what to do foot brake wise, and like Arthur said as well, just either be in the foot brake or be in the throttle. Don't, like I was coming into some corners, I never done a pedal cam, but I was just coming in and then not doing anything, just letting the car slide, and it's just not the best. So I was just giving it was just having more and more angle, and I was just slowing down. So I need to practice on that. It's just have some balls and just go for it. And if I think I'm going too hot, then get on the brake and then get on the throttle again, one of the two, but instead of panicking. So but all comes with experience, like. So yeah, I think the next thing I'm going to need to do is over fenders. I'm going to do Kevlar ones, I think. I just need to find a donor car to cut it up and stuff. So that might be the next video because it's not looking too good. But it's only the outer skin, that's a good thing. It's a shame on Arthur, like, because his car is pretty much rotten off. Both engine mounts snapped, both chassis mounts shifted, and yeah, just the bonnet, bumper, crash bar, everything's destroyed. So that's a shame. But I did let him go with my car, and he enjoyed his day. You know, he could have went home early, but he stuck around and enjoyed the tandem runs and enjoyed his run when he was driving mine, and hopefully you enjoyed it as well. It's a bit different how he drives. He was going for it. I was starting to panic a little bit, but no, really good day. Don't know what's going to happen next. There's an event quite close to the house, like an all salon or something like that. So probably try that next. Maybe it depends how quickly I can get these over fenders, or just turn up with a damaged car. But we'll see. So thanks for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe. Helped me a lot. But see you next one. Bye.